up? My name is Gabby and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a home goods shop with me. I haven't done one of these videos in a while and I thought it would be a great idea to take you guys along with me today. I'm actually looking for some inspiration. I'm working on a couple of makeovers, so definitely stay tuned. Maybe you'll find a couple of sneak peeks in this video. I actually went to a HomeGoods back home in Miami with my parents and I found some really cute stuff, so I'll include that now. Pro tip, if you want to draw on a canvas, you can always go to HomeGoods and buy a canvas and just paint over it. This is only $60. A canvas this size at Michael's will cost you like easily $100. Solid wood, $500. Look at these knobs. Beautiful. And then I was gonna attempt to participate in Arvin Alano's rug show, but decided against it. For anybody who liked my living room makeover, they have the mirrors back in stock. I should go and get them now. They see that $30. And they brought them back. This is literally a bird McMansion. Your birds would be living lavish in this, and it's pretty. It's like a beautiful birdhouse. Now I'm back in Atlanta and I'm getting ready to go to a HomeGoods out here. Hopefully I find some of the super cute stuff I found on the last run. And I also am curious to see like how different the home decor is here in comparison to Miami. So that'll be interesting to see. colorful things like this, but I love this. $80. It's so simple. These chairs are so pretty. Oh my gosh. And look at the gold detailing. I love them. I love these little egg chairs. They're amazing. If I can get one, just know that I have reached my ultimate happiness. These are so cool for your patio. This is such a pretty little trinket box. Oh my gosh, how pretty is this comforter? I love these little like puffs things. I've really been into it. And I've been looking for a new comforter. This is pretty cute. I like this one. It's very simple, but pretty. That was my HomeGoods shop with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below with what your favorite find was, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you like all things home decor. See you guys on the next video. Bye.